In this video, I want to show you how to create a simple opt-in form using Thrive themes and WordPress. What I'm going to do is go into my WordPress dashboard and I'm going to create a new page for my website. Go up to Pages. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and add a new page. Okay. Since this is just for a tutorial purposes only, let's just make up a page here. Let's say we're doing weight loss. Okay, let's make it look decent there. Weight loss. This is going to be a weight loss page. And what I want to do is go ahead and publish this page. And the reason you publish the page is you will go ahead and you will be able to get your permalink where it will say, I know this doesn't make sense, but that's mysoap.com/weight loss. That's a little bit of a tag, if you will, or some SEO if someone's looking for weight loss. But now that we have our page set up, we want to launch it with Thrive Architect. And this is where we do all the building for the opt-in page. And this is the tools that we can use to change the look of the page, to have a theme set up or template for the page. And what we'll do is just go here to page setup right here at the bottom. We'll be able to change the template of our landing page or opt-in page, squeeze page, whatever you want to call it. And notice with Thrive themes, what I really like about them is that they already have the templates laid out for you. And I'll just briefly go over some of these templates here. They're named here. You can start with a blank template, or you can go with Fit Brand template, kind of, deals with the health category. So let's pick that one. That's kind of a good one there, Fit Brand. So now when I click on the Fit Brand template, you'll see all of these options we have here just in this Fit Brand category. You have the home page that you could pick. You have a lead generation page. You have the confirmation page, email confirmation. You have the download page. And this is, for example, if you're giving something away, like a free ebook or something like that, that's the page that the person would come to show that they received or is about to receive their download. And then you have the content playground. So we mentioned building an opt-in form. So let's check out this lead generation page here and go ahead and choose that template and let it load up here. And we'll be able to look at it and optimize it and customize it the way we want. So as it comes up, we'll take a look at it. So notice this, Thrive Themes is wonderful. They have these themes and templates already laid out for you. And when I say drag and drop or copy and paste, all we have to do is go in here, erase that, type in weight loss, right? Or whatever you want to title that capturing ad copy that you want to put in there, or how to lose weight, just showing you how easy it is to customize these pages. And same thing here. If we want to write in something here, we can change that. And again, we want to, make sure this is aesthetically pleasing to the eye and also well written. So you want to put some thought into this, right? But I'm just doing this as a tutorial just to give you an idea how easy it is to use Thrive Themes and Thrive Architect, this plugin. I highly recommend it. And it's very, very simple to use, drag and drop. As you look over here on the left side, you have more text options. Of course, here's where you change your colors of your text even. So like you can get that customized color. If your WordPress website has a specific branding color, you match it up here. Or if you know the numbers of that color, you can type it in right here below and apply them. And some other features here. Of course, if we want to add a paragraph to it, we just boom, drop it there, drag and drop. Very simple, easy. And the background styles we can change. We can add solid colors, images to the background. See how this is white? We can change those background colors just by clicking on that. The borders, the corners, the padding, if you will. You can squeeze these sides in tighter. And actions and animations. As I was studying these tools for Thrive Themes and Thrive Leads and Thrive Architect, I really come to like actions and animations. Basically what it is that when you have a website, you can have these pop-ups and things slide in from the right. You can have like a lead generation page like this. You can have it slide in or pop in from the top. It's really kind of a nice feature there. And all these lead pages and opt-in pages are mobile responsive. You can even test them out and see what they look like. Let's see here. Let's go here. Preview it. See what it looks like. And that's just the normal template. And then when we go back, go to the responsive view. That's what it looks like on desktop. Let's see what it looks like on mobile. And see, very responsive. Everything fits in the lines in the category. And here is your basic sign up form that comes with the template. So it makes it so easy. You don't have to go out and try to put HTML code in to try to get these pop-ups or these lead generation pages. Thrive Themes has made it so simple, and I just love it, guys. So that just shows you my back office of Thrive Themes, and particularly Thrive Architect, to show you how simple it is to create a landing page or an opt-in page. So guys, I'll make more videos like this. I try not to make the videos too long so that people can digest them and wrap their minds around all these wonderful tools that Thrive Themes has. So guys, I'll put a link in the description if you'd like to check out Thrive Themes on your own. I'll put the link down. And again, I am affiliate for Thrive Themes because I wholeheartedly believe in this company. Their support is amazing. It's wonderful. So for your business, if you're looking to create a website, have wonderful lead generation tools, I highly recommend Thrive Themes.